No, it's been a fascinating day. We've seen what we've seen. I think has been world-class manufacturing here with the most extraordinary ambition, and you can really see how this represents the future for manufacturing in Bangladesh. It's really inspiring. We often talk about how Bangladesh needs to broaden its ability to produce, so it goes beyond ready-made garments. And seeing what's being done here shows that that's entirely possible. It's absolutely fantastic to see, and very impressed by the workers, the management, the ambition. All of the people involved. It's just great to see. I can definitely see British companies who I'm sure would find very good partners in the FAIR group, and I'm tasking my team to go away and make that happen. Well, I think what we saw is, we saw a young team of mixed men and women working together completely equally on the factory floor, producing world-class products in Bangladesh. And I think that's the future for Bangladesh, and it's great to see it being put into action here. And it's a really good example. When people say, can things be produced to global standards in Bangladesh? Well, here's the answer. Yes, they can, by a young, equal, innovative team that's well led. So
thank you, sir. Thank you very much.